a small manual machine with which you can make bricks from cement. Industrial vacuum cleaner used in a sawmill to remove the dust. Homemade finger trainer. The compact finger trainer is essential for arthritis sufferers recovering from a wrist or finger injury. Robotic gloves for exercise and improving hand circulation. Homemade skaters for a walk on a frozen river. This invention will give you a lot of fun. Modern equipment for underground cable line. This equipment facilitates the work of workers. If you or your child is bored, homemade and funny woodpecker toy. A multi-purpose machine that saves time and labor. This equipment is designed specifically for farmers. Guys spent 10 hours making a square wheel bike. People said it was the perfect fitness bike. Wheels are made entirely of wood. Still need to practice riding this bike. Compact homemade pasta machine. It is possible to produce different forms of vermicelli. Waterproofing a crack in concrete. A special mixture is spread with alora and covered with pepper. Sand production and cleaning line with a capacity of 200 tons per hour. This equipment is indispensable when lifting heavy loads upstairs. New sand-fixed material. Faster and in some cases more effective than cement. The new kiting is durable. A saw that can turn a log into several boards at the same time. handmade inventions for peeling trees from the stone. Amazing homemade roller skates. Making rollers is easy and can be made from the material that everyone has. It takes practice to ride confidently. Motoblock converted to all-wheel drive. It is easier to overcome difficult obstacles on an all-wheel drive. Walk behind tractor. Start engine and test the refinement. Motoblock successfully passed the test. Here's what can happen if the gimbal is installed incorrectly. Wheels spin in opposite directions. It looks funny. Repair of a small rural yard. For the manufacture of decorative bricks, we use a plastic mold. Form filled with mortar. This machine is used at construction site and facilitates the work of builders. Powerful hydraulic lift handles heavy loads which are easy. Manual laser welding machine. This device is small in size and easy to operate.